When rapid air technology meets low temperature cooking, something wonderful happens. Introducing the Mojave Air Fryer Dehydrator. This all-new appliance allows you to turn this into this from the ease and comfort of your home. Use up to 5 included racks to make healthy treats for your whole family to enjoy. Fruit leather, veggie chips, herb and spice blends, beef jerky. You can even make treats for your 4-legged friend. So many delicious options to choose from, with no added sugar, salt, or preservatives, and for only a fraction of the cost. But that's far from everything the Mojave can do. It's also a fully functional air fryer oven. You can fry using little to no oil. You can bake, roast, toast, and even rotisserie a whole chicken. Its spacious 17-quart interior means you can cook for a crowd, but it also fits on countertops or tucks away into cabinets with ease. It comes with not 1, but 2 recipe books, packed full of ideas to help jumpstart you on your way to becoming an air frying and dehydrating pro. With 11 included accessories and 8 preset programs, your options are virtually limitless. Order yours today.